How to do a cash sale on the CountLab 2 cash register. The till key needs to be in the REG position. You then type in the value of the transaction, so for £15, 1500. The till automatically puts in the decimal point for you, so there's no need to enter that. You need to assign the value, the £15, to one of the 16 department buttons by pressing one of them. So we'll go for DP4, Department 4. 04 appears on the display, so we've got £15, Department 4, subtotal. You then enter the amount of money tendered, so if the customer hands over £15 exactly, you can just hit the cash button. If they hand over £20, it's best practice to type in the 20, 2000, then press the cash button. The cash drawer fires, enabling you to put the money in the drawer and dispense the change. And the reason why we typed in the 20 is that the change value, £5, is displayed on the operator display, the customer display, and if you've got the receipt set on, it also prints on there. Thanks for watching.